The decisions we made, difficult as they were, has given us dividends. Our exchange rate has stabilized. Inflation has come down. And our numbers are looking good. It is a commitment I made to the people of Kenya. It is a commitment I am willing to do an exam on as to whether I passed or I did not. Number two, you know very well that when we were running for office, we had a huge problem of cost of living. Unga was retailing at 240. We had many other issues. And I made a decision that we are not going to continue subsidizing consumption. And I said it in black and white, that instead of subsidizing consumption, which never solves any problem, we were instead going to invest in production. It is the reason why we put more money, not in subsidizing unga, not in subsidizing fuel. We put more money in subsidizing fertilizer, seeds, and the agricultural sector. We managed to bring down the cost of fertilizer from about 6,500. I remember when I discussed with KTDA, down to 3,500, and finally down to 2,500. We managed to subsidize seeds. We managed to work with the farmers. We registered all the farmers. For the first time, government of Kenya was working on data. We had never registered our farmers ever since. But today, I can confidently tell you we have 6.5 million farmers. We know those who do coffee. We know everybody's farm, the size. We know those who do tea. We know every farmer's detail. And we can direct subsidies to the people who need it most. As a result, and by the way, the process of registration of farmers was very interesting. We had been given a bill of 6 billion shillings by somebody who wanted the process of registering farmers. We didn't have 6 billion shillings, and I was not willing to look for it. So what did we do? We mobilized our chiefs, assistant chiefs, and Likuru, Mzee wa Mitaa, all those people, because they live in the villages. Today, we have a solid database. We collected that data in 1 month for free. And I can tell you that the challenges we used to have in distributing fertilizer, distributing seeds, are now behind us. The crooks who used to collect, somebody has 3 acres, they go get fertilizer for 100 acres, they sell the balance, and they cause unnecessary shortages. That is now behind us. If you are a farmer today, including William Ruto, I have a voucher. I can only buy as many bags as my piece of land is registered. And we have gotten rid of corruption. We have eliminated theft of fertilizer. Today, we can, with sufficient accuracy, know how much fertilizer we need for our coffee, for our tea, for our sugarcane, for our maize, and all the other crops. What has happened? I committed myself that I was going to modernize agriculture, because I understood a bit of it because I have been Minister of Agriculture before. Today, I can stand here before you, and if you have parents at home, they will tell you. Our coffee is doing better. Our tea is doing better. Our maize, we've gotten more production. And we are streamlining the sugar sector, including now going to cotton, going to rice.